Hey everyone, it is time for an Americana Tara's must-have. What's a Tara's must-have? It's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty and practical and purposeful. This one is so beautiful in the fact that you're getting 3 great pieces. Take a look at this. We have a small, a medium, and a large in our glass star-shaped bowls. What I love about our glass, not only can you see all of that beautiful detail, here in that star shape, but you can see how it comes to life with all of the colors, that saturation of red, the white, trimmed in that beautiful blue. And the best part, these bowls not only nest, but they also go right into the dishwasher when you want to clean it. Stay right there because I want to show you. Whether you're layering in, it's barbecue season, let's have some potato salad. Oh, don't forget about my pasta salad. Oh, hold on. I have some of my beautiful cabbage slaw. Do you see how you now have 3 great sides in 3 great bowls? And the best part is you can go ahead and put them right in the dishwasher. So where can you get these? Head on over to temp-tations.com and check it out under $25.